Okay, also, so let's start your SnapMock for power plant, and you are preparing
Sir,
for NPCIL.
yes, sir. So I have completed, sir, gas power plant and steam power plant.
So only you
Basically,
prepared
these two.
gas and steam.
Yeah, because others we don't have in the syllabus. And my interview was on 9, so I don't have that time also, sir, to spend on other steam power plant. Means other
Fine,
power plants.
fine. So my first question is to you. So what is load factor?
Okay, sir. Load factor is the ratio of uh, it is a ratio of the capacity currently which you are working on divided by the rated capacity. Means, sir, if let's say if you have rated power as zero point 0.8, so it means that we are not
Take your
utilizing.
time. So you are not that is not right actually. Load factor which you are explaining.
Okay, sir. Load factor. Uh, so what is the means load factor means at what rate our plant means from the ideal rate we means up to means I can't explain it, but sir, I thought that only, sir. What was the
What is
capacity of
reserve factor? Reserve factor of a power plant.
reserve factor?
Mhm.
So I don't have any idea.
Okay. So currently on which cycle your gas turbine power plant works?
Sir, Brayton cycle.
Brayton cycle. Can you draw the cycle?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. What are the assumption, Utsav? What are the assumptions for this Brayton cycle?
So for Brayton cycle, we are assuming that our we are using as air as our fluid, whose Cp and Cv are constant,
Mhm.
and sir, moreover that sir here we are assuming that uh, idle gas with Cp and Cv as a constant, air as idle gas with Cp and Cv in constant. And so moreover, we are assuming that they are reversible cycles. So this cycle is a reversible cycle.
Mhm. Cycle is reversible.
Yes, sir. Means
So
all the
reversible
process.
internally or externally or both?
So both, sir.
Reversible internally as well as externally.
Yes, sir.
So if a cycle is reversible completely, then the cycle will become the Carnot cycle, and its the efficiency will depends on only the temperature limits.
No, sir, but heat addition is the mean temperature at which heat is adding
You know
is not.
the efficiency of a completely reversible cycle depends on temperature limits only. It is independent of the working fluid. You heard
Yes,
about
sir.
Carnot theorem?
Yeah, yes, sir.
If this cycle is completely reversible, so then whether you are using a monatomic gas or you are using what you can say the air as a working fluid, the efficiency is going to be remain same. But for this Brayton cycle, if you write the efficiency expression, you are having gamma term in that. You know,
Yes, sir.
more is the gamma, more will be the efficiency.
Yes,
So
sir.
these two things are actually contradictory. Are you getting the point? So
Yes, sir.
you want to correct?
Yes, sir. This is not externally reversible, sir.
Not externally, but it is internally
Yes, sir.
reversible.
Yes, sir.
Fine. In gas turbine power plant itself,
Yes, sir.
if you will, what you can say, increase the pressure ratio.
Okay,
If you
sir.
will increase the pressure ratio, okay, what will be the effect on its efficiency?
So if you increase the pressure ratio, then efficiency will increase, sir.
Efficiency will increase.
Hmm. If a simple Brayton cycle we are talking about.
Simple Brayton. And what about regenerative Brayton cycle?
So then it will decrease, sir.
Why?
So because if you increase the pressure ratio to a limit in regeneration,
Mhm.
Then sir, after compression, the temperature will be also higher
Mhm.
after compression. So the steam, the gas coming out from the turbine, we want to extract heat from that gas which is coming out of turbine. And itself, if the temperature is very high, then it will be very difficult to use a heat exchanger and utilize that heat from there.
So
If the pressure is very high.
when we can have maximum efficiency in case of what you can say regenerative
So
Brayton cycle?
maximum efficiency in case of regenerative, if you want to get up to Carnot, then RP should be one. The pressure ratio should be one. Sir.
You heard about cogeneration power plant also? Cogeneration.
So excuse me, sir. What?
You heard
Coal.
about cogeneration power plant.
So coal, na sir.
Cogeneration.
COAL.
No. Cogeneration. I'm asking about cogeneration.
No, sir.
Cogeneration power plant. You've not heard about this.
No, sir.
What about combined cycle? You heard about combined cycle power
Yeah,
plant?
yes, I have heard of combined cycle, sir.
What do you mean by
So,
that?
in this, we are utilizing both the cycles, means like the cycles which are working on Rankine, means the steam power plant cycle, and as well as the cycle which is based on Britten, the gas power plant cycle. We are using it both because, sir, we are not designing our power cycle, steam power cycle to the peak load. Because, sir, if you design for the peak load, then your the ratio, so the ratio talk about initially, I was not getting that name. So capacity ratio, not load factor, sir. So the load factor will be very low if you design for the let's say for the peak load. So for the peak load, we are utilizing gas cycles, sir. For because it's very easy to, it's not very complicated. It's very easy to design, and we don't need that time to start and shut down that cycle, the gas cycle. So the peak load, for peak load, we utilize this.
So tell me something about the cooling tower also. What is a cooling tower?
So cooling tower, I think so it is used in boiler.
Mhm.
So sir,
For what purpose we use a cooling tower?
sir, I don't know, sir, right now.
You visited some of the thermal power plant.
No, sir.
Thermal power
I
plant you have not
visited.
visited.
Yeah, no, sir. I visited one this water turbine power plant, sir.
हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट यूज्ड.
I don't. Yes, sir.
अच्छा थर्मल पावर प्लांट का कोई पिक्चर देखा आपने? Have you seen some kind of picture?
Yes, sir. There's a tower. I've seen that, sir, the cooling tower. Yeah, sir.
You've seen that cooling tower.
Yeah,
So what
sir.
is the
But
function of that? What is the function of that?
sir, I don't want to give a vague answer, but sir, I don't remember right now, sir. That's
Because that is the
completely out.
largest structure you will
Yeah,
see
yes,
in
sir.
a thermal power plant.
Yeah,
And
definitely,
like
sir.
even that you can see from
So for
more
the
than
for
50,
the
60 kilometers
inlet
away
of,
from the thermal power plant.
yeah, so for the inlet of the flue gases, I think, sir.
No, that
And
is a
at
chimney.
the
That is a chimney.
yes, sir.
Cooling tower is not a chimney.
Yes, sir.
From cooling, because that is a main part of any thermal power plant. You prepared the
Something
thermal power
related to
plant or
heat
no?
exchange, sir. So what, sir?
You prepared that thermal power plant part, the steam turbine, steam cycle, the Rankine cycle
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So in Rankine cycle, how actually we maintain the condenser pressure? And what is the role of condenser pressure in the performance of what you can say Rankine cycle?
Sir, in case of Rankine cycle, if you will uh, decrease the condenser pressure, so if you will decrease the condenser pressure, then your W net will, sir, your turbine work will increase, sir, if you will decrease the condenser pressure.
And how we can decrease condenser pressure?
How can we decrease the condenser pressure, sir? Mm, so I don't know about the process, how to decrease this condenser pressure.
Mhm. Can you tell me something about the reheating? What do you mean by reheating? So,
Yes, sir. So in reheating, actually, uh, we are expanding the fluid in one or two or more uh, with the intermediate heating in between them.
mhm.
Expansion is done in one or two more than two or more than one phases with intermediate heating, sir, in between. So this will increase the let's say if you are talking about the gas turbine, then it will increase the turbine work there, sir, with the help of reheating.
How we carry out reheating? What's up?
So first, sir, sir, when the let's talk about this gas power plant.
Mhm.
So after after the gas coming from the combustion chamber, we pass it through the uh, high pressure turbine to reduce its pressure. Then again we reheat, and then again we pass it through the low pressure turbines. So our W net will increase. Means turbine work will increase.
What about the efficiency?
So only the heating will not increase the efficiency, sir. Reheating with regeneration can help, means will be helpful to increase the efficiency.
So, how many times we can reheat?
Sir, up to a limit, because sir, means sir, up to a limit in the sense that I'm talking about the pressure ratio, sir. We have
If
to.
you reheat for three, four, five times, what is the effect? Like, why we cannot reheat more than two, three
So
times?
if you are using, then sir, it will tends to Carnot, sir. Means like Ericsson cycle, sir. If you will do the multiple reheating with regeneration, then it will your cycle will uh, approx to Carnot cycle, sir.
Are you
This
sure?
called election cycle.
Are you
Yes, sir,
sure?
election cycle. Efficiency will be same for as of Carnot cycle. So it's called the election cycle, sir.
So why we cannot reheat for multiple times? What is the problem?
Sir, so pressure is the main problem, sir.
How?
Sir, we need to maintain a pressure ratio, sir. Uh, so again, in that the main problem is we cannot supply heat in at constant temperature. So the main problem is that.
Okay, my last question is to you. So, what are the advantages of steam turbine power plant over gas turbine power plant?
So steam power plant advantage is that, sir. First of all, the efficiency is very good, sir. Specific, sir, that mm, and the other thing is that uh, efficiency is very good. And so one more thing is that uh, so your work ratio will be also be very good, sir.
Work ratio is more.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the advantage of having high work ratio?
Sir, because if since we are using pump here, sir, compared to gas cycle, we are using compressor. Then this pump or compressor, this pump is utilizing less of that turbine work, sir. Very less of that turbine work. So that's why, sir. But in compressor, the compressor utilizes lot of the turbine work, sir, compared to
Okay,
this.
okay, Utsav, let me give you the feedback.
Yes,
So,
sir.
पहला चीज क्या है, whenever you are going to mention like suppose this power plant as your favorite subject, don't say कि sir I prepared only gas or steam. Okay, because if you are
Okay, sir.
mentioning power plant, then always major question you will face from gas thermal only. Some question if they will ask you, then you can highlight. If interview
Okay,
will ask you some question from nuclear or other cycle, then you can say, sir, I have not actually prepared that part. I'm not strong. But like suppose if he is asking you some simple question, then why to say, sir, I have not prepared that? Are you getting point? पहले
Yes.
क्वेश्चन सुन लेना है, उसके बाद हाईलाइट करना है. सेकंड, लेट मी केम टू द टेक्निकल पार्ट. आई आस्क्ड यू अबाउट लोड फैक्टर. तो लोड फैक्टर आपने बताना शुरू कर दिया. लोड फैक्टर क्या होता है? रेशियो ऑफ द एवरेज लोड for a particular time period. Like suppose if you will draw the load curve for a thermal power plant, so it is a ratio of the average load divided by the maximum load in a particular time period.
Okay, sir.
क्या आपने ये बताया था? नहीं बताया था. तो सुनना है
नहीं,
पहले,
sir.
उसको फिर आंसर करना है. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म फॉर रिलेटेड टू एनी पावर प्लांट, है ना. which tells us about the utilization of a thermal power plant. कितना एवरेज लोड है, कितना मैक्सिमम लोड रहा, तो यूटिलाइजेशन क्या है
Okay,
प्लांट
sir.
का. रिजर्व फैक्टर हमें बताता है अभी इसमें रेटेड कैपेसिटी आएगी आपकी. कि
Okay,
रेटेड
sir.
कैपेसिटी कितना है? रेटेड कैपेसिटी डिवाइड बाय द पीक लोड.
Okay,
दैट
sir.
इज द रिजर्व फैक्टर. आपका पीक लोड चल रहा है मान लीजिए 80 मेगावाट का. दैट इज योर पीक लोड.
Okay, sir.
रिजर्व कैपेसिटी आपकी 100 मेगावाट की. तो आपका रिजर्व फैक्टर कितना हो गया? हाउ मच यू आर रिजर्विंग? 20%.
Okay, sir.
25%.
25%.
तो आप इसको क्या करोगे? यू विल डिवाइड इट रेटेड कैपेसिटी बाय दैट. ठीक है. तो उसको समझना है कि कितना रखते हैं. जनरली वी कीप दिस रिजर्व फैक्टर इन द रेंज ऑफ 1.2 टू 1.25. 20 से 25% रखते हैं हम रिजर्व. 20 से 25% रिजर्व रखते हैं. बट रिजर्व फैक्टर कितना होगा? रिजर्व फैक्टर विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर देन 1. समझ लो. गैस टर्बाइन पावर प्लांट, यू आंसर. टेम्परेचर प्रेशर रेशियो सही बताया आपने. प्रेशर रेशियो बढ़ेगा तो एफिशिएंसी सिंपल ब्राइटन का तो बढ़ जाएगा, बट रीजनरेटिव के लिए वो क्या करेगा? दैट विल डिक्रीज. वो ठीक है, ठीक है. आपने कोजनरेशन आप भूल गए. कोजनरेशन क्या होता है? दीज आर द पावर प्लांट फॉर व्हिच मींस वी यूज इट फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग द स्टीम एज वेल एज फॉर पावर जनरेशन. स्टीम को हम यूज करते हैं लाइक फॉर प्रोसेस रिक्वायरमेंट. for what you can say, for textile mills we
Okay,
required
sir.
some lots of amount of heat steam. So cogeneration का मतलब क्या है? those power plant which are used collectively for producing steam as well as electricity.
Okay, sir.
तो मेजर एम क्या होगा उनका? स्टीम प्रोडक्शन. जो एक्सेस स्टीम होगा उससे हम क्या कर लेंगे? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस कर लेंगे. उन्हें बोल देंगे हम कोजेनरेशन पावर प्लांट. पढ़ना इसके बारे
So
में
what
थोड़ा
is
सा.
that, sir?
कोजेनरेशन, एक साथ जनरेशन. कोजेनरेशन
Okay, sir.
कंबाइंड साइकिल आपने ठीक बताया. कूलिंग टावर, हाउ यू कैन मिस कूलिंग टावर? उससे कूलिंग टावर मिस मत करो, ये तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है थर्मल पावर प्लांट का. कूलिंग टावर इज
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली वी अटैच टू कूल द हॉट वाटर कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द कंडेंसर. जो
Okay,
कंडेंसर
okay,
से टरबाइन का जो बाद जो कंडेंसर लगा होता है, कंडेंसर में हीट, हाउ यू विल रिजेक्ट हीट इन कंडेंसर? बाय पासिंग कोल्ड वाटर ना. तो कोल्ड वाटर जाएगा और हॉट बन के बाहर आएगा. तो उस हॉट को कूल कौन करेगा? कूलिंग टावर. कूलिंग टावर में क्या
Yes,
होते
sir.
हैं? इंड्यूस्ड फैन लगे होते हैं. तो एयर में और वाटर में हीट ट्रांसफर होता है, इवेपोरेटिव कूलिंग होती है. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं कूलिंग टावर से. व्हाट इज द मिनिमम टेंपरेचर यू कैन गेट? व्हाई द शेप इज हाइपरबोलिक? समथिंग लाइक दैट. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं कूलिंग टावर से. तो उसको पढ़ो अच्छे से कूलिंग टावर को ना.
Okay, sir.
आप तो यही भूल गए कि कहाँ पे लगा होता है कूलिंग टावर. तो ये मिस नहीं करना है.
Yes, sir.
रैंकाइन साइकिल का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट बन जाता है बॉयलर के बाद. तो कंडेंसर प्रेशर तो आपने ठीक बताया, बट हाउ एक्चुअली यू मेंटेन कंडेंसर प्रेशर? अभी जितना जितना इफेक्टिव हीट रिजेक्शन होगा तो कंडेंसर प्रेशर लो रहेगा. अगर कंडेंसेशन इज प्रॉपर्ली टेकिंग प्लेस इन द कंडेंसर मींस द कंडेंसर प्रेशर विल बी मिनिमम. अगर कंडेंसेशन नहीं हुआ देन द कंडेंसर प्रेशर विल इंक्रीज. तो कंडेंसेशन कब नहीं होगा? इफ द वाटर व्हिच इज एंटरिंग इनटू द कंडेंसर दैट वाटर इज एट हाई टेंपरेचर.
High temperature.
तो अगर
Yes,
कूलिंग
sir.
टावर आपका इफेक्टिवली काम नहीं करेगा ना, तो आपका कंडेंसर प्रेशर बढ़ जाएगा, वर्क आउटपुट डिक्रीज कर जाएगा. और
Okay, sir.
कूलिंग टावर का परफॉर्मेंस ह्यूमिडिटी, एयर की ह्यूमिडिटी पे बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है. अगर ह्यूमिडिटी एयर की ज्यादा होती है तो क्या होता है? इवोपरेटिव कूलिंग नहीं हो पाती इफेक्टिव. तो कूलिंग
Yes, sir.
कंडेंसर टेम्परेचर क्या हो जाएगा? तो जो वाटर टेम्परेचर है वो बढ़ जाएगा, तो कंडेंसर प्रेशर आपका बढ़ जाएगा. रीहीटिंग एडवांटेज आपने ठीक बताया. बाकी मेजर पार्ट ठीक था, बाकी ठीक है. बट कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स थे जो आपने मिस कर दिए, उनको मिस नहीं करना है. लोड फैक्टर, कूलिंग टावर, कंडेंसर वाला जो पार्ट था, ये आपको मिस नहीं करना चाहिए था. ठीक है.
सर एक सेकंड सर, मुझे कुछ पूछना था. सर एक्चुअली सर माय मतलब मैं वहाँ पे फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट में स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल और बेसिक थर्मोडायनेमिक्स और हीट ट्रांसफर एफएम मैं बताने सोच रहा था। पर एनपीसीएल सर मैं जब भी सुना हूँ तो वो कहीं से भी क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं,
पूछ रहे हैं,
पावर
पावर
प्लांट
प्लांट
से
से भी
पूछता
पूछ,
है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
हाँ, तो इसलिए मैं सर ये मतलब थोड़ा बहुत जितना हो सकता था मेरे से मैंने किया,
नहीं
और
ठीक है,
ये सब
कोई
मैं
बात
कर
नहीं।
लूंगा सर फिर।
हाँ करना
यस सर।
चाहिए, छोटा छोटा सब्जेक्ट है, कोई बहुत बड़ा सब्जेक्ट नहीं है।
हाँ यस सर।
2-3 दिन और लगाओगे तो व्हेन इज योर इंटरव्यू?
और 9 सर।
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं, अभी टाइम है आपके पास, यू आर हैविंग 7-8 डेज ना, तो
यस
रिवाइज
सर।
कर लो थोड़ा बहुत सेफर साइड के लिए। बाकी दूसरे सब्जेक्ट को रिवाइज करते ही रहो। अच्छा,
सर और कौन सा सब्जेक्ट करके जाना चाहिए वैसे आपके
अभी
हिसाब से
अभी
सर?
डिटेल में फिर रात को शाम को बात करेंगे। सब
थैंक
थैंक
यू
यू
सर।
सर, गुड लक, कीप प्रिपेयरिंग।
थैंक यू सर।